Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our first lesson. The first lesson name is the last lesson. Because you know that we have divided this very lesson into two parts. First part we have already completed, and today we are going to start our second part. In the first part, we have studied that two things. The first thing was that the impact of the war on the life of the people, and second thing was that importance of the linguistic language in our life. So story you have already know. When we started the story, actually there was a teacher. The teacher name was Mr. Hamel. He was teaching in the particular school. He was teaching in the school of the Alsace and Lorraine for 40 years. And you know, after that, an order has come from the Berlin that there will be no study of French in the two states of France, in Alsace and the Lorraine. And you know, from tomorrow the new teacher will come, and you know, he will teach not French but he will teach you German. So after hearing this very news, the teacher felt very sorry. His behavior was totally changed. His tone was totally changed, and you know, he was feeling, earlier he was feeling very sorry for that, and you know, earlier he was very strict, and you know, but now he became very gentle. So you know, after reading this passage, you can understand very well. While I was wondering about all Mr. Hamel wanted his share at the same grave and gentle tone which he has used to be said by children. This is the last lesson. I felt when you the order has come from Berlin to teach new master comes tomorrow. This is your last French lesson. I want you to be very attentive. You know, while the writer was wandering about at all, when the writer was wandering in the school campus, that very time he saw Mr. Hamel sat on the chair, and he said to the children, he advised the children that he was going to teach them the last lesson. And you know, he used to say the children that you have to study well, and you know, I shall give you only the last lesson. Why he will deliver the last speech, why he will deliver the last lecture in the class. The reason he was telling that an order has come from Berlin, and the order was that from tomorrow, that in the state of the France, Alsace and the Lorraine, there will be no study of French language, there will be the study of the German language. And you know, the new teacher will come, he will teach you German language, he will not teach the France. And you know, that in this way, I am going to deliver the speech today, so you must be very attentive, you must be very careful about that. After that, what will happen? So all the words were very shocking for the people. What a thunder words clear these words to me. Oh, these dashes that what they had put on the town hall. In the town hall, you know, when I heard this very news, when the writer heard this very news, he felt very sorry. He was expressing his sorrow. And what will happen? That after that he was feeling very guilty. Why he was feeling very guilty? Because he was unable to learn his language very properly. He did not pay attention over the language. He was not cautious. He was not attentive in the beginning. And you know, now when the order has come from Berlin, after that there will be no study of France. Only they have to study of the German language. So what will happen in this paragraph? So my last French lesson, I hardly know how to write. I should never learn anymore. I should stop them. Oh, how sorry for not learning my lesson, for seeking what sex or sliding on the sand. My books that had common nuisance while ago, so happy to carry my grammar and my history of the saint, were old friends now that I couldn't give up. And then have to the idea he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me the forget all what a dual and how friendly he was. Actually, you know, इस पैराग्राफ में क्या बताया गया है? This is the my last translation. The writer was, लेखक को बहुत ज़्यादा दुख होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो जाता है, क्योंकि उसने ना तो लिखना सीखा था और ना ही वो सीख सकता था. जो भी उसने सीखा था वो उसे स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जब उसके टीचर उसको पढ़ाया करते थे तो उस समय जो था उसने कोई भी अटेंशन नहीं दिया, कोई भी ध्यान नहीं दिया. कभी वर्ड्स के एप्स को देख रहा होता है, कभी वीवर्स के साइड को स्लाइडिंग वगैरह कर रहा होता है, और बुक्स जो थी उसके लिए, जो बुक्स वो स्टडी कर रहा था, ऐसा लगता था कि बुक्स उसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा हार्मफुल है. अब क्या है, यहाँ तक कि उसने ग्रामर और हिस्ट्री की बुक में भी कभी भी ग्रामर और हिस्ट्री की बुक्स में कभी भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिया, जिनको वो नफरत करता था. कह रहे हैं वो सब जो बुक्स उसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा बेकार लगती थी, अब वो उसके ओल्ड फ्रेंड हैं, अब उनको वो लाइक करने लगा है. और कह रहे हैं जो टीचर उसके लिए, जो टीचर बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट थे, उधर से उनके लिए डर लगता था, उनको वो क्रैंकी समझता था, लुनेटिक समझता था। अब शायद वो राइटर उनको लाइक करना उसने शुरू कर दिया। So after hearing this very news, the writer felt very much sorry. Why he was feeling very sorry? Because he did not learn the language properly. He was not attentive in the class. He was not cautious in the class. He did not pay attention over the study. He was passing his time for watching the birds, etc. He was sliding on the bank of the river, etc. And after that, the books, he felt that the books were very harmful for him. He did not take interest in grammar and what we can say, grammar and the history books. And this very time, the books which were very bad for him, now all the books had become his friend. All the books had become his friend, and the teacher who was very strict for him, the writer thought the teacher was very strict for him, and after that, now he thought the teacher was mad for him. Now this teacher he started to like him very much. So can I in this way very well that in this way now this very time the teacher Mr. Hamel has changed his clothes. He was looking very smart. The clothes which he used to wear on the auspicious occasion, and now he had changed the clothes. Poor man, it was on all of this last lesson he had put on his Sunday clothes. And now I understood why the old man of the village was sitting there in the back of the room. It was because they were sorry, so that they had not gone to school. It was their way of thanking our master for his 40 years faithful service, of showing the respect for the country that was theirs no more. Actually, the villagers were there. The villagers also did not pay attention over the language. They did not learn their own language. But now the order has come from Berlin. They were also very sorry, and all the villagers has come to have come to school, and they were sitting on the back of the room. They were very sorry. They were very sorry because they could not go to the school. When they were having the sufficient time, when they were having the enough time, they did not pay attention over the study, they did not learn their language, and now they have come to the school for paying the respect, for honoring his teacher who was serving in their school for 40 years. Now he was going to deliver the last speech, so now they have come there. Why they have come there? To pay honor for the teacher. While I was thinking for all this, I heard my name called. It was my turn to recite. What would I not have given to able to say that dreadful rule for the participle all through very loud and clear, and without one mistake. But I got mixed up on the first word and stood there holding on to my desk, my heart beating and not daring to out. That very time writer was thinking all this. When the writer was busy thinking of this very time, his name was called, and the writer when his name was called, and after that the writer became very nervous. He became very fearful. Because only the one thing was in the mind of the writer, he did not prepare the things. He did not prepare the things on the participle, and without any mistake, I got mixed up the first part. Stood there holding on the desk, my heart beating. Actually, the writer was too much afraid, because whatever the homework the teacher has given to him, he did not learn even the first letter of the participle. So his heart beating was increasing. His heart beating was increasing very fast, and in this way he became very upset. I heard Hamel wait to me. I want to scold you, little friend. You must feel bad now. So it's very late. We have said to, or I have plenty of time. I shall learn it tomorrow. And now you are going on, and the great trouble with that she puts of the learning till tomorrow. Now those feelings out there will be have the right to say how it is you pretend to be Frenchman, and yet you can neither speak nor write your own language, but you are not the worst, poor little friend. We have all great deal to repress ourselves in. So I had heard Hamel to say, इस पे लास्ट में क्या है, मिस्टर हेमल जो होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट थे, बहुत ज़्यादा पोलाइट हो जाते हैं, और वो लिटिल फ्रेंड से कहते हैं मैं तुम्हें बिल्कुल अब डांटूंगा नहीं, मैं आपके लिए कोई भी पनिशमेंट नहीं दूंगा. कह रहा है यू मस्ट फील बैड नाउ, लेकिन तुम्हें ये बात जरूर अपने आप को तुम्हें अच्छा नहीं लगा होगा. तुम्हारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा समय था, जो तुम्हारे पास प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम था, लेकिन तुम हमेशा यही कहते रहे कि मैं इसे तुम्हारा याद कर लूंगा. और कह रहे नाउ यू वी वेन यू कम आउट. अब कह रहे हैं आप इस बात को समझ सकते हो आज हमारी क्या पोजीशन है, जो हमेशा कल के लिए टालते रहते हैं. कह रहे हैं कि आज नहीं कल करेंगे, वो हमेशा उन्हें पछताने के अलावा कुछ नहीं होता है. अब हमारे जो चीज़ों को हम टालते रहे, कह रहे हैं अब हम चीज़ों को नहीं सीखते रहे। अब जो चीज़ों के लिए हम बहाना करते रहते थे, आज हम फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज नहीं सीखते, ना ही हम अपनी लैंग्वेज को बोल सकते हैं और ना ही हम लिख सकते हैं। कह रहा लेकिन फिर भी कह रहा बट यू आर नॉट द फर्स्ट, लेकिन आप सबसे खराब नहीं हो लिटिल फ्रेंड्स। वी हैव ऑल द डील टू रिप्रेस आवरसेल्फ, वी हैव ऑल ग्रेट डील टू रिप्रेस आवरसेल्फ। कह रहा है इसलिए कह रहे हैं केवल आप ही सबसे खराब नहीं हो, बल्कि हम सब लोग इसके लिए बदनाम होंगे। हम सबकी लैंग्वेज जो लिंग्विस्टिक लैंग्वेज हमसे छीनी जा रही है। Actually, after reading this passage, we have come to know that Mr. Hammond said to little friends, to the writer, I want to scold you, little friends, but you are not feeling good. Why you are not feeling good? Because when you are having a lot of time, when you have a variety of the time, that very time you were not attentive, you did not learn the things, you were not sitting properly in the class, you were not taking interest in the study. Now the order has come from Berlin that there will be no French language will be taught in the state of unsafe endurance. Now you feel very sorry for that, but still you should not feel yourself busted, because we all people are feeling very sorry, because that from tomorrow our linguistic language is going to be snatched away. Suppose, what do you mean by the linguistic language? Linguistic language means our proper language, whatever our proper language we are speaking, that if anybody snatches our language, if anybody forced to say that you speak in another language, then we feel very sorry. So you know that whenever you are having the time, whenever you are having the sufficient time, you must use it, because you must not put down the things for the tomorrow. What will happen tomorrow? Nobody knows this very thing. So you know whatever the work you are giving, whenever you are there, you must concentrate your mind, you must attentive in the class. I think you understand this passage कि जब भी हम क्लास में बैठे होते हैं हमें अटेंटिव होना चाहिए, हमें समय का यूज करना चाहिए। कल क्या हो जाए किसी को इस बात का पता नहीं है, because if we are very cautious, then we can be a good person of the society. Your parents are not anxious enough to have you learn, they prefer to work on a farm the mill, so to have a little more money, and I have been willing to you. Have I not often sent you water my flowers instead of learning your lesson, and when I wanted to go fishing, did I not just give you a holiday? तो कह रहा है इस पैसेज में राइटर, इस पैसेज में जो टीचर है वही बताना चाहता है अपने स्टूडेंट के लिए। कह रहा है इसके लिए केवल आप ही, यू आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल ओनली फॉर दैट, but your parents are also very responsible for that. While they were not anxious, they were not careful, they were not careful about your study. They wanted you to do the work in the factory, etc. You can by earning the money. They also think that if you will earn the money, then you will then I have been also blamed for that. I am also responsible for that. Why I am responsible for that? Because sometimes I send you to water the plant, sometimes flowers, etc. And you know, sometimes that whenever I wanted to go to fishing, that very time I have to give you work, and the work was that you have to water the flowers, etc. So this is also my fault. You know, not only you are responsible for that, but your parents as well as me and you both, everybody is responsible for that, because we were not cautious, we were not attentive on that very time. इस पैसेज में यही बताना चाहता है, टीचर यही बताना चाहते हैं एमएमएल अपने स्टूडेंट के लिए, मिस्टर लिटिल फ्रेंड्स, केवल आप ही इसके लिए दोषी नहीं है, बल्कि आपके पेरेंट्स भी बहुत ज्यादा दोषी हैं। इसका रीजन क्या है? क्योंकि पेरेंट्स चाहते थे कि आप किसी फैक्ट्री वगैरह में काम करें ताकि 4 पैसे घर में आए, और यहाँ तक कि जो था मैं भी अपने काम में कोशिश नहीं था। मैं चाहता था जब भी मुझे फिशिंग वगैरह के लिए जाना पड़ता था, मैं बहाना करके कह देता था कि बेटा मैं आपको फ्लावर्स को जो है वाटर देना है। इस तरीके से क्या है कि इसके लिए सब हम रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं। अगर शायद हम लोग इतने अटेंटिव होते तो शायद ये आज हमको ये ऐसी नौबत नहीं आनी होती थी। एंड आई हैव जस्ट गिव यू हॉलीडे। और इस तरीके से क्या होता था लास्ट में, एट द लास्ट टीचर वांटेड टू से दैट एट द लास्ट व्हेनेवर आई हैव टू गो टू द हॉलीडे आई हैव टू गिव यू वर्क, एंड द वर्क वाज दैट आई हैव टू वाटर द फ्लावर्स। You know that me also is responsible for that. Then from one thing of another, Van went to talk of the French language, saying that it was the most beautiful language in the world, the cleverest, the most logical, that we must lord it among us and never forget, because when people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, and if they had the key there for them, Then he opened the grammar and read awareness. I was amazed to say how well I understood. All he said seemed to easy, so easy I think to that I had never listened so carefully, and that he had never explained everything so much patience. It seemed almost as if the poor man wanted to give us all he knew before going away and to put it back into our words in the store. Actually क्या है, स्टेशन में कभी राइटर ये तुम्हें बताना चाहता है टीचर कह रहे हैं then from one thing to another I am going to talk of this। के बाद जो है मिस्टर हैमल जो है एक के बाद उस चीज को हमेशा डिस्कस करते रहे। उन्होंने कहा कह रहा है फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत लैंग्वेज है और कह रहा है सबसे अच्छी क्लेवरेस्ट लैंग्वेज है और सबसे अच्छी लॉजिकल लैंग्वेज है। हमें इसका गार्ड करना चाहिए कि डिफेंड इट एंड हमें इसे कभी भूलने की जरूरत नहीं। तो शायद मिस्टर हैमल हमें यही बताना चाहते हैं दैट कि हमें अपनी प्रॉपर लैंग्वेज को कभी नहीं होना चाहिए, हमें अपनी प्रॉपर लैंग्वेज को हमेशा इंपॉर्टेंस देना चाहिए। और कह रहे हैं एंड कह रहे हैं among us and neighbors because many people are answered as long as they hold for the language they would keep to their prison they open grammar and read our lesson। यहाँ तक कि इसके अलावा क्या कहते हैं जब तक हमें अपनी लैंग्वेज को कमांड होता है तो हमसे लैंग्वेज सीखी जाती है, हम अपने आप को बड़ा देना तो कैसा महसूस करते हैं, अपने आप को बहुत अपसेट महसूस करते हैं। कह रहे हैं मैंने क्या I had never listened to carefully and he never explained everything so much patience it seemed almost as if the poor man wanted to give all the news before going away and to put all the heads to our stock। इस तरीके से जो टीचर है वो कह रहे हैं I had never listened so carefully, यही रीजन था कि मैंने कभी चीज़ों को ध्यान से नहीं सुना और यहाँ तक कि उन्होंने कभी भी चीज़ों को प्रॉपर वे में एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया पेशेंस के साथ में। ऐसा लग रहा था it seemed almost the poor man wanted to give all the news before going and to away to the heads at the stock। और कह रहे हैं इसलिए poor man कुछ कहना चाहता था और शायद यही बात थी कि इस तरीके से जो हमारे दिल में कह रहे हैं इसके लिए किसी भी चीज़ को प्रॉपर लैंग्वेज को सीखने के पीछे बहुत सारे मैनी रीजंस हैं। टीचर भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, ग्रेजुएट्स भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, राइटर भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, इसमें थोड़ी ना थोड़ी मिस्टेक्स अभी भी है। कह रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स also they look like little friends who are everywhere in the school room hung from the road on the top of the desk to what to have seen how everyone had to work and how bad it was. Only sound was the scratching of the pens over the paper or some benefit below, but nobody paid attention and turned the TV the little ones who worked right on the dressing room as if that was made on the roof. The pigeons stood and I thought to myself will they sing in the German even the pigeons। कह रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स एल्से हम लोग बार बार इस चीज़ को रिपीट कर रहे थे, किसके लिए रिपीट कर रहे थे, फ्रेंड्स एल्से के बारे में रिपीट कर रहे थे और हमने हर जगह स्कूल रूम में जो थे अपने इसके बहुत सारे जो फ्लैश वगैरह लगा रखे थे, अपने डेस्क में फ्लैश लगा रखे थे। कह रहे हैं हर कोई जो था कह रहे हैं दैट यू ऑट टू हैव सीन हाउ एवरीवन सेट द वर्क, हर आदमी जो है अपने वर्क में सेट था और इस तरीके से लग रहा था यहाँ पर किसी भी चीज़ की आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी। जो कह रहे हैं केवल जो साउंड आ रही थी, स्क्रैचिंग जो साउंड आ रही थी वो पेन्स और पेपर्स की आ रही थी, कुछ बीटल्स कुछ इंसेक्ट वगैरह वहाँ पर उड़ रहे थे उनकी आवाज़ आ रही थी, लेकिन हमने उन पर बिल्कुल जरा सा भी ध्यान नहीं दिया। हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे मतलब रूल द पिजन्स ग्रुप पे हम इसी बात को सोच रहे थे, राइटर भी इस बात को ये सोच रहा था कि ये पिजन्स की क्या है आपका जनरल लैंग्वेज में जो है जनरल लैंग्वेज में कहेंगे। तो इस तरीके से क्या हुआ कि कह रहे हैं आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस वेरी पैसेज वी हैव कम टू नो दैट the people of Alsace, the people of France, they did not speak now in the French language. The people of Alsace did not speak that as French language. Only they have to speak our German language. You know that everybody was very attentive. Everybody was putting the flags everywhere in every room, on the architects, etc. Because this was the last day. So after it, everybody has said their work and they were busy doing their work, etc. At the last we can say, so only there was not the sound of animal, only the sound was coming of the scratching, there was the only noise of the pens and the desk, etc. After this, the writer thought there are the pigeons are there, they would also speak in a general language from tomorrow. An idea came into the mind of the writer that they would also speak in the French language. So did you understand? Would you understand after reading this passage? You understood very well that if anybody has become slave of anyone, then what will happen? Then they have to do the work according to that very state. Whenever I reach for my writing, I understand as sitting motionless in the chair, carrying up the things, you wanted to fix and everything looked a little more can see for the 40 years he had made the place with his garden outside, and just only the desk and benches had been gone smooth the concrete garden, but Talan and the Hogan planted himself over the windows to how it must look on the heart to the poor man to hear sister moving upon the room. They are packing their trunks for they must leave the country next day. You know that whenever I